Okay, we've written another integral. We've got the integral of tan to the n x dx. And we have a couple conditions over here to the right. We want n to be a member of the positive integers. We also want n to be greater than 2. It might work for some lower values, but let's just keep it clean and we'll say n greater than 2. So I've done videos before on the power reduction for sine and cosine, and I don't think I've ever done it for tangent. And so for this, it's not that I'm expecting to get an exact value or anything like I would for a normal integral. We're just going to try to reduce the power on it. So to get started, what I'm going to do to break it up is I'm going to strip out a tan squared in order to do this, and then doing that, so for this other part, I'm going to write this as tan n minus 2x dx here. And let's put a label on this, our main integral here, our goal, we'll call this I sub n. And then let's use a trig identity on this part. For tan squared, I can write this as secant squared x minus 1. And then let's just distribute this part into here and break it into two integrals. So for the first one, we're going to have this part here, tan n minus 2 times secant squared x. And then for the second one, we'll bring the minus sign out front, and this is just going to become tan n minus 2 x dx. But now this part right here, this is in the same form as our original, and this is just going to be reduced. So we can write this here as I sub n minus 2. For this one, I'm forgetting a dx right there, but what this is, we can set this up. This is perfectly set up for a u substitution. So let's do that over here. So I'm going to do we'll set u equal to tan x. And the reason that's nice, because we've got the derivative right here. Du is going to be secant squared x dx. So substituting it, what we have here, this becomes u to the n minus 2. Everything else is du. And then let's bring along this part. This is just going to be minus I sub n minus 2. But now from this part, we'll just integrate this with power rule. This is going to become u n minus 1 over n minus 1. There's a plus c on it, but I'm actually going to leave it off because we're going to have this in our formula. And this right here is going to imply a plus c when you integrate this. And now all I need to do is just let's back substitute in order to finish this off. And so for my final solution of this, we have just tan to the n minus 1 of x over n minus 1 minus I sub n minus 2. Skip the plus c on it, and that's it. Anyway, so there you have it, power reduction for tan to the n of x. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.